Sainsburys is closing its in-store cafes and remaining patisserie counters as part of its ongoing programme to deliver £1 billion of operating cost savings. The retailer said it had made this difficult decision to cease operations at its remaining 61 Sainsburys cafes nationwide over the coming months, subject to consultation. It added that the majority of its most loyal shoppers were not using the cafes regularly, particularly as cafes and food halls, run in collaboration with specialist partners such as Costa and Starbucks, were growing in popularity. Sainsburys also unveiled plans to create space to offer more of its fresh food ranges in more stores. However, this would require closing its remaining patisserie, pizza and hot food counters. The most popular items from these would be made available in the aisles. The latest proposals are expected to reduce headcount by over 3,000 roles across the business. It is also looking to reduce senior management roles by an estimated 20%, along with other updates to its central management structures, aimed at helping support faster decision-making and driving performance. It comes at a time when Sainsburys revealed that more customers are choosing it for their big shop, with the business seeing strong momentum, including 7 consecutive quarters of volume growth. Its best-ever value position, increased market share, and record customer satisfaction scores at Christmas. The move comes less than a year after the retailer revealed it was planning to remove scratch baking from more of its in-store bakeries as part of wider proposals to help it deliver its 3-year new next-level strategy. However, Sainsburys is set to complete a rollout of updated bakery recipes by this summer, which it said will ensure consistent quality and value. New self-serve bread slicing will also be made available. We launched our next level strategy almost a year ago and are totally focused on making good food joyful, accessible and affordable for everyone every day, commented Sainsburys CEO Simon Roberts. As we accelerate into year 2 and beyond of our strategy, we are facing into a particularly challenging cost environment, which means we have had to make tough choices about where we can afford to invest and where we need to do things differently to make our business more efficient and effective. Roberts added that Sainsburys will be doing everything we can to support anyone impacted by the announcement. The retailer currently employs 148,000 people, with almost 600 supermarkets and 800 convenience stores across the UK and Ireland. The loss of 3,000 jobs was met with swift condemnation from Unite the Union, which said that the lowest paid workers were once again paying the price for corporate greed. Sainsburys is a hugely profitable company and made over £500 million in profit last year, asserted Paul Travers, National Officer for Food at Unite. Yet they are proposing thousands of redundancies of store workers and de-skilling qualified bakers by removing on-site bakeries. At the same time, well-paid managers are being protected from any job losses. This is a blatant example of profiteering on the backs of workers and then sticking the knife in. Sainsburys should be ashamed of themselves for taking this path, added Travers. He noted that Unite will be fighting for its members' jobs during any consultation process and helping them through this difficult time.